Developing a consistent schedule is essential for successful homeschooling. Everyone needs to know the schedule and expectations for school days. Start by choosing non-negotiable school times like 9 a.m. to noon, where you put your phone on Do Not Disturb and where all other household activities are put aside so that you and your students can focus. This is your direct instruction time when you are 100% all hands on deck. These hours are when they will receive your undivided attention. Schedule the best time for each subject based on the individual needs of your students. Some students do better when starting with the most difficult subject, and others need to kind of ease into the day. Consider setting a starting time and ending time for each subject. Unfinished work can be done independently later. Plan on a 10 to 15 minute break mid-morning and then a maximum of 45 minutes for lunch. As much as you can, avoid interruptions or plan for them when possible. The time you spend on school daily will largely depend on your students, their grade level, and your daily focus. Younger students will require about 2 to 3 hours, and older students will require more like 4 to 6 hours daily. Plan for direct instruction. Block instruction is one way to structure your day. For example, during your math block, everyone does math while you cycle through direct instruction. You will want to teach the lessons. Don't leave them to figure it out. You can also plan your day with a combination of direct instruction and independent work. For example, while teaching an older student math, younger students can watch an educational video or complete independent work. It is helpful to teach subjects together when teaching multiple students. Science and history are often designed to teach students of various ages together. Students learn the same content with differentiated activities depending on their grade level. Math and language arts are typically taught separately, but take advantage of anywhere you can teach students together. Make sure you plan time each day to grade work and reteach concepts that were missed. In short, plan for success by scheduling your day with non-negotiable school hours and a time for direct instruction versus independent work.